It's alive!
Hey, if you thought that robot looked pretty cool what it was doing, let's talk about how I made the robot and how much it cost. I'm Larry and welcome to my channel. We're going to do all kinds of cool experiments and look at some items that are pretty cool to have to do with science, technology, engineering, math, and magic. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. The main book I used for creating this first robot of mine is this book right here, Learn Robotics Programming. It's a really good book. I really like it. Danny Staple does a good job of writing in this book and giving some good code examples and everything. Alright, let's get a good look at the robot. As you can see, it's got a caster wheel in the back that it can just roll around on. It's got two big wheels here. If you look underneath, each one has its own motor and a decoder on it. Alright, if you look here on the top, there's a Raspberry Pi 3A+. There's also a motor hat from Adafruit. I've connected it to a set of 4 batteries. There's a bank here for a power bank to charge the Raspberry Pi. There's a breadboard on the top with a switch right here that will turn the batteries on and off. You can see the light turn on and off when you turn that on and off. There are some spaces here that I'm going to add some ultrasonic sensors to. As you can see, I got quite a lot of parts on here, but there will be even more in the future. And I guess next we can talk about the brief cost of this. Alright, hey everybody, just so you know, the other things I did use was Git. I used Python to code the robot, and I used my own computer, so I used Visual Studio Code, which is free, and some Python. If you guys wanted some samples of this eventually in the future, just go ahead and reach out and ask me, and I can get you whatever you need. If you need links to the part, I'll try to put a bunch of the parts in the description so that you can find all the parts I've used. And the cost, unfortunately, for the Raspberry Pi is around $100 because it is very hard to get. You may get lucky with Adafruit. If you go to Adafruit and build a login for it and build everything that you need for the account, it will ask for 2-step verification, and they will tell you when they have more of the Raspberry Pis in. The Raspberry Pi 3 Model A Plus is only $25 if you get it through Adafruit. However, if you have to get it through Amazon, unfortunately, you're going to be paying $100 or more. As you can see the code here, I named this code behaviorpath.py, and that is the only code I have right now that I'm going to run on the robot, so I'm going to go ahead and let you see what it looks like when I run it. So here's the robot. I'm going to click the button, and you're going to see the simple path that it's going to take in just a few seconds. And here we go. As you can see, it goes forward, turns right, goes forward, turns left, and then it does a victory dance. It's a very happy little robot. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below.